Hi, my name is Giovanni. I'm one of the sales managers over at Shaler Honda, and today I'll be going over the memory seat settings on a 23 Passport EXL model. Okay, so first thing I want to note is that the memory seat settings that you see here are going to be used exactly the same way across the Honda family for any vehicle that offers a memory seat settings. Okay, so the very first thing I want to mention is that each key fob that has the memory seat settings feature available to you is going to have a driver 1 as well as a driver 2, and that's going to go directly with the numbers that you see here. Okay, and the way it works is very simple. All you have to do is get in the vehicle, you adjust your seat settings to what you see fit. You also want to make sure you adjust your steering wheel, your mirrors if necessary, to make sure you have clear visibility. And then what you're going to do is you're going to set your seat setting. Once you set it the way you like, you're going to come over to your buttons here. Once you hit the set button, you're going to notice both of these buttons here are going to flash. When you're looking to set your driver, all you do is hit the number that matches your key fob. And now what's going to happen is anytime you enter the vehicle with your key fob, the vehicle is automatically going to know that you are the driver 1 and to adjust the seat to the setting that you had already applied to the vehicle. Okay, it's going to be the same thing for driver 2. The setup is exactly the same. Tied to the memory seat settings feature, you're also going to get what's called your easy exit and entrance in the vehicle. And what that is anytime that you have the seat setting applied and you're getting out of the vehicle, when you hit the off button, you're going to notice your seat is going to come back, and that's going to be resetting the seat position for the next person that gets into the car. If it's 1 or driver 2, it'll automatically be able to go to where they were.